Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how I study in college step by step. First, I always begin by reviewing my lecture notes and assigned readings within 24 hours of class. This immediate review helps solidify new information and highlights any areas I might not fully grasp. I then take about 15 minutes to organize these materials, ensuring everything is easily accessible for deeper study later. This foundational step is crucial for building a strong understanding from the outset. Next, I focus on active engagement with the course content. I find that participating in a study group for about 1 hour each week is incredibly beneficial for discussing complex ideas and gaining new perspectives. Additionally, I create flashcards for key terms and concepts, often spending 30 minutes daily on this. Explaining challenging topics aloud, as if teaching someone else, truly helps me identify gaps in my knowledge and reinforces my learning. After actively engaging, the next step is to practice and apply what I've learned. I dedicate at least 2 hours per week to working through practice problems and past exams, which helps me understand the format and types of questions to expect. I also make sure to seek feedback on my assignments, paying close attention to areas for improvement. Connecting new information to previously learned material helps build a comprehensive understanding. Finally, continuous review and self-assessment are vital for long-term retention. I schedule dedicated review sessions, typically for 1 hour every few days, to revisit all topics. I frequently test myself using different methods, like quizzing myself or attempting to recall information without notes. Based on these self-assessments, I adjust my study plan, focusing more time on weaker areas to ensure a thorough and complete understanding of the material.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.